Day is almost here. If you forgot to buy a gift, don't worry. This video will show you 10 easy, bright and low-cost gifts made only with paper. Let's get started. Idea 1. Glowing heart message jar. Cut small hearts from colorful paper. Write sweet notes on each heart. Like "Thank you teacher" or "You inspire me." Place the hearts inside a glass jar. Add a small fairy light string to make it glow. Stick a label saying "You light up my learning." A simple and magical way to show love. Idea 2. Pencil flower vase. Take a paper cup or cardboard tube. Wrap it with colorful paper. Glue pencils around it to look like a vase. Put paper flowers inside. It is useful, bright, and a sweet classroom gift. Idea 3. Dried flowers bookmark. Take a strip of card paper. Decorate it with pressed or dried flowers. Write a small thank you message. Your teacher will always remember you while reading. Idea 4. Best teacher crown. Cut a crown shape from shiny paper. Write "Best teacher" on the front. Decorate it with stars or stickers. Crown your teacher like royalty for the day. Idea 5. Paper handprint hug. Trace your hand on paper and cut it out. Write a message on each hand. Join both hands with a paper strip. When opened, it looks like giving your teacher a warm hug. Idea 6. Paper key to knowledge. Cut a large key shape from paper. Decorate it with gold or silver colors. Write "Key to knowledge" in the center. Gift it as a symbol of how your teacher unlocks learning. Idea 7. Crayon frame. Take a piece of cardboard as the base. Glue crayons all around like a frame. In the middle, place a note or drawing for your teacher. It becomes colorful and full of memories. Idea 8. Mini flipbook of compliments. Staple small pieces of paper together. On each page, write one word about your teacher. Like kind, caring, inspiring. Flip it like a tiny book full of love. Idea 9. Pocket-sized thank you scroll. Take a strip of paper. Write a short thank you note. Roll it tightly and tie with a ribbon. A cute little scroll to gift with love. Idea 10. Paper Rosette Award. Fold paper like a fan into a round rosette. Add ribbons at the bottom. Write "Best Teacher 2025" in the center. A badge that your teacher will wear proudly. So friends, these were 10 last-minute Teachers' Day gift ideas with paper. All are simple, bright, and made at almost no cost. Which one will you try for your teacher? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more ideas. Thank you so much for watching the video.